Love's the Pacific, full of white unspecific dreams, and you can get lost there. 1,000 miles on a playful breeze. Oh, why do we do it? All the stuff that got in the way. Oh, why do we do drown ourselves under our own waves? It's for the peace, for the blue, for the feeling of being with you, for the light in those eyes, and the feeling of being surprised, of being surprised.